At ProTrainings, we've launched a range of gift cards, and these can be used as vouchers against e-learning courses. So what they are is a plastic card printed on one side with the course type, and on the back is how you redeem the code, and you just scratch off the grey panel and that will reveal a code. You can then either scan the QR code on your mobile phone and access the course that way, or go to the website, redeem the code, and then you have that course for free. Now the courses we've got are in lots of different subjects, from first aid subjects to pet first aid or health and safety and AED use. So you can pick the subject you want and then use the card. Now these cards can be ideal presents for people, or you can use them within your company and hand them out with products. So if you're already working with dog breeding, or you're running a grooming company, you can then give these cards out as loyalty cards and things like that. Loads and loads of different ways around of working. If you are buying them on and selling them on to other people, we also have a full affiliate scheme so that you can buy them and earn commission as you do, so you get them at discounts. Best thing to do with that, if you're interested, is contact us on 01206 805 359. Go to our website on protrainings.uk or email us on support@protrainings.uk.